Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and I'm here at B&M. Just thought it's caught my eye, this little throw. It's only a £5, which is not bad. So just going to pause the video and I'll pick back up with you when I get over to the yarn section because it's quite a long way. Hi there, so here we are. Looks like it's pretty stocked today, which is a good thing. It's got a bit of a jumble of colours and things. It's never really organised. This is that mohair that I can't have because I'm allergic to. But we've got some pretty kind of dark colours going on. I think got their winter colours in. This ombre is actually pretty nice. I had a grey one and it's a nice kind of, I don't know if it's a chunky. I think it is actually. It's the wrong colour for me though. I did want to get another one, but I wanted the kind of black and grey one. Not seen that around for a while, sorry about that. Not got my gimbal today, so, and these shelves are very slim, so it's hard to get in there with the camera. But yeah, we've got mostly DK weights, which is a 3-weight in the US. Like I said to you before, when we have aran weight, which is a 4, it tends to be these big balls of drab kind of colours. Remember I said to you before that they do one very similar in here to the Poundland. This is it, but it's not the same colours. It's mostly pink and blue, but it's similar in a way. But this is $1.99 for 100 grams. And I think this is very similar to what's in the US, the Premier Toy Box yarn. But they never have very much of any one thing. I've got this really nice kind of fleece yarn. I'm finding it hard to reach up there. Been a bit vertically challenged. But I've got a few balls of this in blue and some in the white, which is here. But they've got some lovely, it's really nice fleecy yarn. I have used it before on quite a lot of projects. It does work up really nice and it's quite reasonable. $2.99. Cuddly, super soft. And it is really, really super soft. I kind of like this grey one. Don't have a project in mind at the moment. I've used this before, which is very similar as well to the one in Poundland, but this is just the blues. And I made a blanket with this. I made a gingham blanket, which turned out really, really nice. It was just difficult to match up different colours for the blues. But again, that's the mohair, which I can't use. But they do have some quite nice ones. This has got kind of a hint of sparkle in it. I don't know if it comes through, but it is nice. But I've just got a feeling that I'll be allergic, so I haven't bought any of that. I'm actually find I'm allergic to quite a lot of fibres. Okay with acrylics, but this isn't nice. This is quite nice. It's not too bad, I was going to say. I always seem to pick them up upside down. It's very soft, chunky, with that little fleck in. I did used to kind of go for things like that, but I'm not so much these days with the little fleck. Now this is interesting. I've got a lot in here today. Luxury, 150 grams. It's kind of like a super bulky, isn't it? Super chunky. And then you may recognise this. I was using some of this at Christmas for my Christmas projects, although I used gold, but they do have the silver there. Wouldn't mind making a blanket out of this, but you'd need quite a lot of it, I would have thought. And this is that white, the same as the other one with the slight, I can't really pick it up, but it is a kind of a thicker weight. I'm not sure what it says on the label as to what the weight is. Let's try the red. Where are we? This is the trouble with these. They don't always give a weight. You just got to guess, but I would say that's a 4. And it's got a nice sparkle in there. I don't think it's going to come through. There it is. It's nice. It's kind of fluffy. Mint green's nice in this one. It's just the baby yarn. So they've got quite a lot of colours in the DK. And there's that silver. Looks really dark down there, but it isn't. It's really bright silver. That's pretty. It's like a lilac with the sparkle in it. Don't think I have any baby things that I need to make. Oh, and this is nice. I've used some of this for my Christmas projects before. It's really a really vivid red. Found it hard to get my mouth around that, sorry. Move this out of the way. I've got some more of this big thick yarn. It's $2.99, so it's not too bad a price. But I'd kind of need a project in mind before I bought that, I think. And I was just looking through there because I've got some more of that ombre yarn. But again, none of the silver, which is a nightmare. See, these are not very deep, these shelves. So if we go down to the bottom, there's probably the only way I'm going to see it is by taking the phone. But they've got quite a few of the ones I don't want. Just quite amazing. But they've got lots of colours. I'm going to move along. Sorry. In this big thick. It's ever so soft. It looks kind of like it's not going to be, but it is. And this is an interesting ombre. I like that one. I've only got the one ball, which is quite often the way. But I did like the black and grey. Unfortunately, can't see any. Just this, lots of this colour. But they've got quite a lot in this time, which is good. I'm really tempted to get this, but it's just the one skein. Might get it though. Put that in the basket. But yeah, there's quite a lot in today, which is unusual. I'm kind of looking to see if I can see and yet just one more ball of that, but no, couldn't see it. The reason I paused the video is because I had a bit of a loud couple approaching and I didn't want to deafen you all. I don't think that should be there, but that's very pretty. So thanks for watching, and this is B&M. It's a very inexpensive store, but I think Poundland just about has the edge on it for cheapness. That's a nice pink though. Don't really have anything to make for a baby girl at the moment. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm only taking this one away with me because I fell in love with the colours. I have to try and find something to do with just the one skein, or just pop back another time and hopefully they will have some more. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there's new videos. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.